Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making the surface paint ready. Clean the Kukirin G2 with 90% rubbing alcohol, removing oils and dust so paint adheres. Next, inspect for mold lines and trim slowly with 400-800 grit. Glue any broken tabs with cyanoacrylate and let cure. Once dry, apply a thin, even coat of primer from 10-15 cm away in 2-3 light passes to avoid obscuring details. This creates a uniform base and reveals areas needing more sanding or filling. You now build color in controlled layers. Start by thinning acrylics about 20-30% so they flow without hiding sculpted detail. Lay down 2 thin base coats, allowing 10-15 minutes drying time between passes at room temperature. This prevents streaks and pooling. Once base is even, establish midtones, then use glazing, 1 part paint to 3 parts medium, to subtly shift hue and increase depth. Work from broad areas to edges, then pick out sharp highlights with a fine brush to keep the form readable. You finish by sealing and refining. Spray or brush 2 thin coats of matte or satin varnish, letting 15-20 minutes dry between coats to protect the paint and unify sheen. If you see runs or brush marks, sand gently with 800-1200 grit, reprime that spot, and reapply color in thin layers. If colors look blotchy or mottled, use very thin glazes and feathering strokes to blend transitions. If problems persist, step back. Let layers fully cure, then correct selectively rather than repainting the.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.